Okay folks, so here we are back to the second phase of the project. Door off, guard off. We have the problem with the hinges, not the actual hinges themselves, but the hinges mounted to the door frame is the problem. And we have, if you like, tears or cracks where those hinge bolts are screwed through and attached to this door. So I'm going to clean it down now and we'll start to see the cracks in a better way. Okay, so here we go. We have marked that line where we want to cut. We had to first drill out 2 spot welds, and you can see those cracks here, but they're more evident when you pull it away, and you can still see the crack in here. We'll polish these out. There's a crack there, obviously a crack up here, a little bit of surface rust just starting. We'll clean it up, and we're going to eventually repair these, clean these up, repair these, and these will be able to be welded back in. Okay, I'll come back to you. Okay, just quickly, look at these. These have been polished out, so let's just show you very quickly. You can see cracks, very easy to be seen there, there, here, 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 and then on the flip side, look at them all. They need to be repaired. All repaired, welded in, ground down. That stronger support piece is thicker than this one. That's all strong, all cracks are gone. And here's the top plate. Now we did drill an extra hole, so we'll do a plug weld. So that will sit back to there how it was. We'll plug weld 3 plug welds, and then of course bead weld right around. And all of these have been repaired as well. This has been repaired. You can see all repaired. That's the penetration of the welds from this side. Okay, we'll weld it and then you can have another look. Okay, here's the door now, looking much better. The light sort of purple color, if you will, is the epoxy lacquer or sealant that we applied directly over the weld, and then the gray is the seam seal, just to fill up any gaps and seal it. So it's ready now for priming and painting. I will come back. Okay, now just a quick one. I forgot to mention last time about this very important triangular base, triangular frame, and it's not focusing very well, but I think you can see it in there. And that triangular frame comes up and it's got a plug weld now right there. We plug welded it. Now that frame is integral to these double skins here, holding them, bracing down here, giving triangulation support onto this door frame edge. These 2 skins, this one and the one underneath, act now as a team because they've been plug welded, and furthermore, with the triangular brace underneath, you can see it in here as well. There it is. They're all working together as a team, so we're not going to get any more of these cracks from the door flexing up and down. Okay.